Hello. So I have an i7 6700 system here, 4 cores, 8 threads, maximum turbo boost of 4 GHz. Comes in a brand new case, multiple light settings on there, whatever you care to have, it's in there. There's about 30 different settings. It has 16 gig of DDR4, front and rear USB 3.0 ports. Most importantly, the graphics card, it's a GTX 1070 8GB version. This system will be able to play basically anything you want to throw at it. Comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro. You can create different desktops, different user accounts, change the look and the feel of it. Any desktop you prefer, fully activated, so you'll have no issues whatsoever. Just to show you the system itself, as I said, an i7 6700, 4 cores, 8 threads, nice fast chip. The drives, it has 240GB solid state drive for Windows and a little bit of space left over, and then you've got a 1TB hard disk drive with Call of Duty Warzone and Fortnite already installed. Gaming clients, Steam, Battle.net, Epic Games Launcher, these are all pre-installed for you. You will need to create your own user account with an email address and a password. It takes 2 minutes. CC Cleaner's pre-installed, that's free, keeps the computer fresh and clean. GeForce Experience will keep your graphics drivers updated, and it will enable you to record if you wish to. It's what I'm using just now to see what you can see on the screen. Say GTX 1070 8GB version card. Runs nice and cool, generally below 75 degrees. So now onto the gaming. Top left, if you're looking for frames per second, it's the white numbers that constantly change. You've got Warzone showing the settings I used, it was all max, and Fortnite again was epic. So if you're new to computer, gaming PCs, somebody's asked you for one or you fancy one for yourself, what are you looking for? Whether you buy for me or somebody else, please beware, there's a lot of chancers out there trying to sell gaming PCs with terrible graphics cards in them, or with no graphics card at all. The minimum you're looking for in a graphics card is 2 gig of RAM in it. This one has 8, plus it's a GTX 10 series card. It's a 1070, same card I use. Really good card if you want to use for streaming, recording, gaming, rendering. It's all there, whatever you want to do. Next thing you're looking for is a good CPU, a chip. Minimum of 4 cores, 4 threads. You'll get that in most i5s. This is an i7, the i5's big brother. It has 4 cores, 8 threads. Turbo boost to 4 GHz. Again, this will play anything you want to throw at it. Great for editing, rendering, gaming. It's all there. Whether this is a gaming PC, you want to use it for schoolwork as well, you'll be able to do it. Next thing you want is memory. Minimum you can sort of game on is 8 gig of RAM. This is 16 of the more modern DDR4 RAM. What 16 does over the 8 is basically it allows you to record as you're gaming. Gives you a quicker experience because it's loading more of the game files into the system so it can access them more quickly. So you get a much smoother, pain-free experience. Games tend to load a wee bit quicker as well. Next you're looking for drives. The solid state drive that Windows is on, 240GB solid state drive. Windows takes up about a quarter of that. Most modern games have got take up huge amounts of space. So I mean, Warzone it's about 110 GB of space on its own. So I tend to load Windows onto the 240 gig solid state drive. That keeps Windows moving nice and quickly. And then on this system, you've got an extra drive in it, a 1TB hard drive. which is, as I said, it's already got Fortnite and Warzone installed on it, plus plenty of space left over for about another 8 or 9 games, depending on what you're downloading. So as a gaming system, this comes, I defy anybody to say, to look at it and say it doesn't look brand new. The cables inside are managed beautifully. It's got a nice big white tower cooler on there. You can change the lights. Again, with this case, it's brand new. It's got a great big fan on the front and a nice one on the rear. Why that's important, gaming PCs tend to run hot. But if you've got that nice airflow running through there, I couldn't get this system running above 72, which is nice and cool for a gaming PC. So any confusion, any worries at all, give me a message. Always happy to help. Thank you. Cheers.